The cat who still waits by the door, even though you'll never come back. Waited all night, all week, for a glimpse of you in the fog, in the mist, in the falling rain. You never came back. So the cat stayed by the door, watching the world go by. The seasons change, the leaves fall, the fireflies dance in the twilight, the moon pull the tide, the stars fall from the sky. For the echo of your voice to break the silence, and the sound of the rain, for the touch of your hand on his fur to feel the warmth of your body beside her. And the cat just sits there, waiting for your scent to linger on the breeze, but you never came back. And the cat is left with only memories.